Have you ever spent hours refining your art only to realize you should have stopped much sooner? Or maybe you have spent weeks on the same piece feeling frustrated, unproductive and guilty until you just gave up. In this video I'll show you a simple strategy to stop wasting valuable hours and take back control of your drawing time. And at the end I will share a secret trick that will speed up your drawing even more without losing quality. Let's say you wanna start drawing. You have an idea, but you can't start drawing effectively or optimize your process until you answer one important question. How much time exactly do I need to finish this piece? I get it. It feels impossible to predict. Every piece is different and you never really know how long it will take. Or do you? When we start drawing, we don't always have a clear plan where we can say, I know how much time it should take. We just draw. And without realizing it, we fall into the RPG trap. As a main character, the first few hours you are going through the main quest, fighting epic battles and making real progress. It feels amazing, but then the game quietly starts giving you random side quests. Eventually, you get stuck in an endless loop of unimportant things. As a result, what should have been a 20 hours main story turns into 160 hours of frustration, aimless grinding, and worst of all, you might never even finish the game. This is exactly what happens when you fall into one of the biggest hidden problems artists face: time warp. If you don't recognize these dangerous time-wasting traps, you'll keep getting stuck without even realizing it. When you try to find your own style, the same thing happens. I talk about this in detail in the free Adapt kit, link in the description. And just like in RPGs, if you don't know which quests are unimportant, you can't skip them. How to spot these traps? Let's take a part of the drawing process. For example, line art. If you zoom in, you can see how much things can dissolve in your drawing process. Too much things, right? To speed up your process or remove inefficiencies, you first need to identify these unnecessary steps. But how to do this? You begin drawing line art with a clear goal, but as time passes, you lose count of how long it takes. You refine one stroke, then another, and suddenly hours are gone. This happens because you didn't take the most crucial step. Set a clear time frame for your drawing and try to finish it within the time. But what if you miss the timer or don't finish? That's even better. It gives you an idea of how much time you really need. A time frame is good, but what if I told you there is an even greater enemy hiding in your process? It often hides itself as thinking time. You feel like you're working, but your pen isn't moving. It's a mind trap. But how to beat this? You need one secret tool. Use it to analyze how much time you spend drawing and how much time you waste. It's a time tracker, like Manic Time. When you see the real numbers, you will be shocked. But where does it all go? Imagine you are drawing. You have your line art and you are probably spending a lot of time refining it. You might feel like you are being productive, but the truth is, it doesn't actually improve your final work. And how to do that? To significantly speed up your drawings, review your process for useless steps. Ask yourself, does this step really make a difference in the final work? Can I simplify this without losing quality? But what if you could draw even faster while staying fully in control of the process? This is the halfway checkpoint method. It's a simple yet effective way to adjust your processes without strict deadlines in 3 easy steps. Here is how it works. Set a time limit for each step of your drawing, maybe 3 or 10 hours, whatever fits your workflow. Then, at the halfway point, stop immediately and look at what's left. Ask yourself, for example, do I really need perfect line art here? Or do I need such a detailed background? If not, skip it or simplify it, then move forward. And this is where the magic happens. The halfway checkpoint keeps you from getting stuck in endless refinement, helping you to prioritize what actually matters while cutting unnecessary steps, so you finish faster without stress or sacrificing final quality. Try it in your next drawing and you will be amazed at how much time you save. But what if you could improve even faster? Watch the next video.